Hello friends, welcome on Accessible Resource YouTube channel. Friends, since 15 or 20 years you have been using Gishio, TalkBack and Prudent screen reader. We are going to learn about a new screen reader today. Before that, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to set the notification to all for getting our unique videos latest update. If you have not joined yet on our Telegram and WhatsApp community, please join. Link of our Telegram and WhatsApp community will be available in the About section of our YouTube channel. So friends, without wasting our time, let's get start the video. Today, we are going to open Alice Walker. This is a new screen reader which is going to be very much helpful for the blind or visually impaired people.
Page 4 of Swiggy. Alice Talker.
Alice Talker. So just I am clicking on that.
Alice Talker.
When you will open this application, your focus will shift on to
Sound and vibe text to speech setting.
text to speech setting. Just click on that.
Text to speech settings.
We are going to talk about the text to speech settings. So I am swiping from left to right.
Preferred engine speech recognition and synthesis from Google.
Preferred engine speech recognition synthesis from Google. This is selected. If I click here,
Pop-up window.
a pop-up window has been opened and I am swiping left to right.
1 Samsung text to speech engine. 2 speech recognition and synthesis. 3 voiceify TTS. 4 auto TTS. 5 multilingual. 6 Vertits. 1 Samsung text to speech engine.
These are the TTS engine available here. You can choose according to your own preference. I am going to choose here speech recognition synthesis from Google.
2 speech recognition. Preferred engine speech recognition and synthesis from Google.
Okay. Now I am swiping left to right.
Speech rate 20%.
Speech rate 20%. By default 20% is selected and you can change it according to your own preferences. Just click on that.
Pop-up window.
Then swipe from left to right.
1 1%, 2 1%, 3 2%, 4 3, 5 4%, 6 5%, 7 6%, 8 7, 9 10, 11 10, 12 13, 14 13. Speech rate 13%.
I have selected 13%. Very well. Now I am swiping left to right.
Spoken language.
Spoken language. This is not working. Just leave as it is.
Preferred engine speech recognition.
Preferred engine speech recognition from Google. So these are the options available on text to speech settings. Now I am going back.
Back. Alice Talker. Text to speech settings.
Okay. Swiping left to right.
Sound and vibration.
Sound and vibration. Just click on that.
Sound and vibration.
Okay friends, now I am swiping left to right to show you the options which are available on sound and vibration.
Check sound feedback.
Check sound feedback. Friends, if you want to get sound feedback like TalkBack and Gishio, just remain it check. Otherwise, you can also uncheck it.
Sound volume 100%.
Sound volume 100%. Same as it is, you have just increased or decreased speech rate by swiping left to right. You can also increase or decrease sound volume by swiping left to right. Now I am swiping left to right again.
Sound theme.
Sound theme. If I click here, sound theme.
Sound theme.
So here swiping left to right.
Sound theme.
Sound theme.
Event.
Event.
Item 1 of 21 Alice Talker is on.
Item 1 of 21 Alice Talker is on. Just remain as it is. Don't do anything here.
Sound.
Sound.
Item 1 of 2 default.
Item 1 of 2 default. Here 2 sounds are available maybe. So by default is selected. So remains it as it is. Just leave it.
Close.
Close. Here I am just going close.
Sound theme.
Sound theme.
Check vibration feedback.
Now we are coming to the vibration. Checked vibration feedback. If you want any vibration feedback, just remains it check. Otherwise you can also uncheck it.
Vibration theme.
Vibration theme. If I click on that vibration theme,
Vibration theme.
the options are available is
Vibration theme.
vibration theme,
Event.
event,
Item 1 of 21 Alice Talker is on.
just remains as it is,
Intensity.
intensity
Item 22 of 101 to 1%.
to 1%,
21%.
21%. If you click on that,
50% progress.
50% progress.
Close. Unchecked is closed. 50%.
If you click on that,
Item 51 of 10150%.
so 50% is where it has been.
50%. Item 50%. Item 50%. Close.
Just I am going close.
Vibration theme.
In this way, you can also increase or decrease on the vibration. Now,
Check sound feedback. Sound. Checked. Vibration theme. Check sound feedback.
okay, these options has been finished. Now I am going back again.
Uncheck sound feedback. Check sound feedback. Alice Talker.
Alice
Sound
Talker.
and vibration. Gestures.
Gestures. We have observed sound and vibration TTS settings. Now we are coming to the third option, that is gestures. Just click on that.
Gestures.
Okay. Now I am swiping left to right.
Gestures. Display.
Display.
Item 1 of 1 built-in screen.
Item 1 of 1 built-in screen, just remains it as it is.
Gesture.
Gestures. It's a heading.
Item 1 of 39 swipe up.
Item 1 of 39 swipe up. Here swipe up is selected. Here 39 gestures are available. But I recommend you swipe up, swipe down, swipe left, swipe right, swipe down and up, swipe up, down, ups and down. Just remain as it is, otherwise you can suffer for that. So I am just clicking on swiping up.
Pop-up window.
Okay.
1 swipe, 2, 3, 4 swipe left. 5, 6 swipe down then up. 7 swipe left then right. 8 swipe right then left.
Yes. Swipe right then left. I am just going to customize.
Gestures.
Okay. Now I am swiping left to right.
Action.
Action. Here actions is the heading.
Item 9 of 32 decrease volume.
Item 9 of 32 decrease volume. Here decrease volume is selected. I can put as it is my according to my preferences. I am just clicking on that.
Pop-up window. 9 decrease, 10, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15 next element.
Just I am clicking on next element.
Gestures.
Okay. I have customized the gestures.
Close.
Close.
Uncheck disable.
Uncheck disable. You can also able to disable the gestures if you don't want to use it. Now I am clicking close.
Close. Gestures.
Okay. Now I am going back.
Customize reading. Customize menu.
Okay.
Customize reading controls.
Customize reading controls. Friends, you are all using TalkBack GCO, so you are familiar with the customized reading control. You can able to do it just same as TalkBack and GCO screen reader. Now I am swiping left to right.
Customize menu.
Customize menu. I am clicking on that.
Customize menu.
Customize menu.
Customize menu. Add.
And this button is not working perfectly right now, but friends, if I need your support, if your support is enough, then we will send feedback to the developers, of course, and I hope it will be work perfectly after sending the feedback to the developers. So I am swiping left right.
1 screen backlight.
Screen backlight.
2 text to speech settings.
Text to speech setting.
3 Alice Talker settings.
Alice Talker settings.
4 tap.
4 tap.
5 tap and hold.
Tap and hold.
6 pass through system gesture.
Pass through system gesture.
7 spoken language.
Spoken language.
8 links.
8 links.
9 actions.
9 actions.
Customize menu.
Customize menu. So these are the by defaults option is given. Add is not working perfectly, so you don't go to the add. Now I am going back.
Back. Alice Talker.
Okay.
Customize menu.
Customize menu we have done.
Verbosity.
Verbosity. We have found verbosity in GCO screen reader, TalkBack also. So the functions are same and the ways are same. So if you are familiar with TalkBack and GCO screen reader, then you can also able to use verbosity easily. I am just clicking on that to show you.
Verbosity.
Okay. Swiping left to right.
1. Check speak note type.
Speak note type.
2. Check speak window titles.
Speak window titles.
3. Check speak passwords as your type.
Speak password as your type. If you click on that, it will be unchecked.
4. Check speak pane titles.
Speak 10 titles.
5. Check speak node IDs.
Speak note IDs.
6. Check announce time when screen turns on.
Announce time when screen turns on.
7. Check announce date when screen turns on.
Announce date when screen turns on. These are all checked. By default, these are all checked.
8. Check notify when screen turns off.
Check notify when screen turns off.
9. Check notify about screen orientation change.
Screen orientation change.
10. Check announce battery charge percentage when disconnecting the charger.
Okay.
11. Check announce keyboard show high.
Okay.
12. Check lift to type.
Okay.
13. Check don't read notifications when screen is off.
Okay.
1. Check speak note types.
So these are the options available here. I am going back.
Back. Alias toker. Verbosity.
Okay.
Text to speech setting.
Text to speech setting. These are the options available here, friends. So now if you want to enable this TalkBack, you just go to the accessibility settings and just find out downloaded apps. There will find Alias Talker and just click on that, and they will ask you to allow restricted permission. Just click on OK. Then again go back and just find out the Alias Talker and double tap and hold for long press. Then it will come to the app info. You just click on that app info and then go to the more option, and there you will allow restricted settings, fingerprint or password. They will ask to provide there. You will just press your fingerprints or password, then automatically the restricted settings will be allowed. Then you simply go to the accessibility settings again and just allow it. Just click on Alias Talker on switch. Just click on that. It will be enabled. And I hope it is working very fast, very smoothly. Okay. So friends, I hope you have understood the video well and you will use it. If you have any problems, then please comment and also ask questions on WhatsApp community, Telegram. We will be available always for you. Thank you. Stay well.